Alright guys, so welcome to my channel Tech with Kazim. Today I want to show you guys how you can install Python and the PyCharm IDE on your Windows PC. So Python is the latest version of Python is now is 3.11. You can write codes in Python. Python can be used for machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, and to also build web apps and a lot of things, cybersecurity and the likes. So Python now is the most popular programming language now. So you need to start writing codes in Python. So you need to install Python on your local machine. Now we'll be installing Python on this Windows PC, and also we need an IDE to write code. So we're going to install the PyCharm IDE. So first thing, we're going to go to python.org to install Python. Then the next thing, we'll go to JetBrains to install PyCharm. So I'll be showing you that in a bit. So now you go to your browser, then you type www.python.org, then you hit the enter key. So now you can see that the latest Python as at the time of recording this video is 3.1.0. You can see the download there. So you're going to click on it to download. Now once you're done downloading, then you can head over. You can just go to another browser now and search for PyCharm. So you search for PyCharm. Now you see, so you'll be able to download PyCharm from JetBrains. So you can see this download PyCharm here. So it's like 300 something megabyte of the that is required. So you just click on download PyCharm here. I'm going to show you what it contains. Alright, so when you come to the JetBrains from the PyCharm page, so you'll be able to see this. Now you see this platform, you can download PyCharm on your Windows PC, you can download on the Mac or Linux. So because I'm currently using a Windows PC, so I'm going to click on Windows. And you can go for the professional if you want other add-ons that you want, but it's not free, it's a paid version. So for this tutorial, I will go with the community edition, which is free and it is open source. So you click on download here. So guys, when you download this tool, you've downloaded the Python and the PyCharm. So now go to your Windows Explorer, you go to your download section, you're going to find the Python there. So you click on the Python to look at the Python here, the 3.11, to run it, to install it. So once you're done with this, then you install the PyCharm. So I'll need to show you guys what you see in the PyCharm. You can run the PyCharm community. So once you run the Python, so accept all prompt and accept, just click next to install. So I want to show you guys the PyCharm, what you need to install in the PyCharm. Alright guys, so you're going to click on the PyCharm here from your downloads folder. Click on the PyCharm to install it. So once I click on the PyCharm, you're going to allow this app, so you can just click on next. So now make sure you check this PyCharm community. You can also have it add open folder as project there, and you can add bin folder to the path also. Then you can also create a .py extension, then you can create next, then you can install. Then you can install it. So you wait for it to install. It will take a couple of minutes to be installed. So once it is installed, you will need to restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, just go over to the PyCharm icon that you can see being installing. So just click on the PyCharm, open it, then you can now start running codes in Python. Alright guys, you can see that the installation of the PyCharm Community Edition is now completed, so you can just restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, then you can. Alright, so now that we're done with installing Python and installing PyCharm, so the next thing now, you see the PyCharm here, you double click to run it. So you bring this dialog. I'm going to say trust this project. So it's going to load on the PyCharm for us. Alright, so now you can see this now is saying no Python has been added. So I'm going to try and open it. Let's open a new project. So open a new, now it's saying invalid because it's saying Python 3.7 here. So I'm just going to click here and I can select this Python 3.1.1 here. So once I have this Python 3.1.1 there, so I'm just going to click on create. So once I click on create, where do I want to open? Let me open it on this window, so it replaces this window, because I already have one PyCharm that's not already working. So I've replaced this window with the new Python 3.1.1. So we have our fresh Python IDE here. So if I just go to new, click on create new file, I will click on Python file. So let me just give it a name. Let me just give it the name. Let me just give it the name newer. So newer as a Python file. So let me just start the first line to print hello world. Print hello world. Hello world. Then I will just have to run these. So when you say print hello world, and I can just select the newer here, run current file. So once I have it this way, so now I have this hello world here. So if I just run it, so can you see I have the hello world here? So our PyCharm now is working. So guys, this is how you're going to install Python on your Windows PC, and you install PyCharm for you to be able to start writing wonderful amazing codes in Python. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.